Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, the large fan, the main wireless LAN antenna assembly, the wireless LAN board, the system memory modules, the M.2 flash memory module, the M.2 absorber rear I/O bracket assembly, the small fan, the thermal module, the power button board, the internal battery, and the external battery cable. Removal. Disconnect the DC out cable, the power button light cable, and the top cover lighting ribbon cable from the motherboard. Disconnect the motherboard battery cable from the motherboard and remove the motherboard battery. Remove the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the motherboard to the rear cover. Remove the two standoffs that also secure the motherboard to the rear cover with a hex sleeve. Carefully lift the right edge of the motherboard up and slide the connectors on the left out of their cutouts in the rear cover. Remove the motherboard. Replacement. Partially remove the backing from the foil strip. Using the guidelines printed on the motherboard, attach the foil strip to the motherboard. Turn the motherboard over. Inspect the 3 foam pads to ensure they are properly positioned and are in good condition. If the foam pads are damaged or missing, remove the foam pads from the old motherboard and install them on the new motherboard. Carefully slide the ports on the left edge of the motherboard into their cutouts in the rear cover. Press the motherboard down, being extra careful not to trap the cables under the edges of the motherboard. Replace the two P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the motherboard to the rear cover. Replace the two standoffs that also secure the motherboard to the rear cover with a hex sleeve. Connect the motherboard battery cable to the motherboard. Connect the power button light cable, the DC out cable, and the top cover lighting ribbon cable to the motherboard.